Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if I can get it into focus. But what there is a center core, just like a coaxial cable. And it's got a plastic insulator. So I've stripped back, and actually the best way to do it is peel it back, and you just peel back the outside layer, and that exposes this insulated inside core of the coaxial cable. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this just like that, so that we can solder the inside core onto that center piece. If we can solder that on there, and then we'll make a solder bridge from these side ground pads onto this insulated cable. What I'm going to do is tin the ends of this antenna. And now I'm going to make sure that there's not any of this outside shielding touching the inside, and I'm going to tin this. Okay. Now let's see if I can do this. I only have the temperature at 350 degrees Celsius. It's because if you go any hotter than that, you're probably going to burn a pad off. I'm actually going to put a touch of solder onto this pad if I can. That. Okay. Okay, now. And the key here is do not bridge it to the center. Now this should work. I've got a positive connection to the center. And then just so it doesn't come off, I'm going to reinforce it with hot glue. Can you see that? That is how you repair a broken antenna on a TBS Crossfire micro receiver.